Welcome to Fair Tutorial. Let's make this mechanical part in SolidWorks. We are in SolidWorks now. Go to the file, new part, okay. Then select the top plane, sketch, then select the center rectangle like this, smart dimension. This dimension is 90 and this dimension is 50. Go to the feature, extrude base. Its dimension is 20. Okay. Then select the top plane, sketch, draw a center line like this, close. Then select the midpoint line like this. Okay. Select and make it horizontal. Okay. Then select the line and close this part. Okay, smart dimension, this dimension is 40 and this dimension is 20. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, cut up to 10 mm. Okay, then select this portion, sketch, draw a circle, center circle like this. Smart dimension, the dimension is 20. Okay, close. Go to the feature, extrude cut, blind to through all, close. Then select the side plane, sketch, draw a center line like this. Okay, smart dimension, this dimension is 5. Draw a midpoint line. Okay, select the line again like this. Okay, smart dimension, this dimension is 20. Okay, go to the feature, extrude cut, blind to through all, close. Then select this portion, sketch, draw a center line like this. Smart dimension, its dimension is 50. Okay, then select the midpoint line like this. Select the line like this. Okay, and close. Smart dimension, this dimension is 20. Smart dimension, and this dimension is 60. Smart dimension, the distance from this end is 15. The distance from this end to this end is 15. The distance from this end to this end is 15. Okay, draw a circle. The distance from here to here is 15. Smart dimension, this is 18. Okay, so the sketch is ready. Go to the feature, extrude base, its dimension is 18. Select reverse and OK. So our mechanical part is ready. So the next portion is fillet. So we use this fillet and select this, and we will select all. Okay, and the dimension we will use 0.2. okay, and close. So the fillet is applied. So our mechanical part is ready. So the next thing is we will do the rendering. So I will save this file as a mechanical part. Like this. Okay, and I will save as also as a step file. Okay, I will open the step file. So it is open in another software which is using Moyo 3D. So file, save as. So I'm saving as OBJ format, which we are using this file in another software. We call it Blender. So I save it OBJ. Okay, here poly count is showing, so I need a little bit maximum like this, so the result will be okay. This card changes. Okay, then I will open the Blender. So our Blender is open now. So first of all we have to import the file. So I will go to the import and select the OBJ, go to this, select my folder, this OBJ we have to select, import OBJ. So our file is imported here. So I will scale, I will press S to scale a little bit less like this, and then I will go numpad 3 and press R to rotate. So I will rotate into 90. Okay, then I will select shift plus A, mesh plane. So I will scale the plane like this. Okay, so it is on the plane right now, so I will scale a little bit more, and then I will use the Blender kit as a material. You will download this Blender kit from the site. It will not available in the software right now, so you have to download and install this one separately. You can find any tutorial on YouTube about this, how you can install the Blender kit, but it is very useful tool. Otherwise you will use the PBR material. So I am using right now the metal, brush metal. Okay, so this one is okay. So I will select my object and like this I apply. So it is applied. If you go to this material section, so see our brush metal is there. So I will hide this one and go to the render mode. So you see it is showing there, but we have to a little bit fix, like we have to select this one and go to the UV and cube projection. So now it is like this. Okay, so we will to apply the render mode. So for the rendering we will go to the word option and select the environmental texture. Okay, open the texture. I am using this ATRI Adam place. Okay, and if I turned it, like you see, it's showing like this. So for the rendering I will select the EV, select this portion into 128. Okay, and select the ray tracing, go to the film and make it transparent, and this portion we will make a new material like this. I will down a little bit metallic and a little bit less roughness. Okay, and I will select camera, shift plus A, select camera, and then alt control numpad 0 to frame like this. And if I go to the render image, if we render in cycle, the result will be a more different. So I hope you like this tutorial. Please support this channel. You will get a lot from this channel. Thank you for watching.